introduce myself. My name is Marsya Hutami, and I'm a student of International Relations at University Islam Riyadi. So today I will explain about WWF. WWF is International Environmental Organization, and then WWF it was founded in Switzerland in 1961. WWF works more than 100 countries, and also the goal of WWF is protect nature. Towards this goal, WWF works with company, government, and then community. And also WWF has global compact like Earth. And then WWF also makes the Living Planet report. And issue 2 is biodiversity loss in Indonesia in 2025. So this means many persons and animals are disappearing. So WWF works to protect these species and then their habits. Also, WWF in Indonesia works with government. WWF protect ocean, forests, and wildlife. WWF also to teach people to care for nature. I think that's all, and thank you for your attention.